Tired of those annoying glitches and crashes in your games after installing new Nvidia drivers? Well, in today's video, we will be covering how to easily and effectively remove your old Nvidia drivers to guarantee a smooth, fresh start. Get ready to obliterate those old drivers and unleash the full potential of your new ones. First, let's locate the search bar on the bottom left of your screen and begin to type Remove Programs. Click on the Add or Remove Program setting that appears to open your system's program uninstaller. A window showing you the list of installed programs will now appear. Locate and select any Nvidia software. This might include Nvidia graphics driver or Nvidia PhysX software. Once selected, click the Uninstall button. A prompt may appear. Follow the prompt to uninstall the Nvidia software. If it asks to restart the computer, do so now. After the restart, or if no restart was prompted, go back to the search bar and type Device Manager. Select and open the Device Manager. This allows us to see the hardware connected to your computer. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapter section. You should see any Nvidia graphics card you have. Right-click your Nvidia graphics card from the menu that appears. Select Uninstall Device. A confirmation prompt will appear. Check the box that says delete the driver software for this device, and then click Uninstall. After the uninstall is complete, your computer may restart automatically, or prompt you to yourself. Once your PC has restarted, you can now install the latest Nvidia drivers. Remember to always download your drivers from the official Nvidia website. And that is how you thoroughly remove your old Nvidia drivers.